Yo, what is up, guys? So in the past 24 hours, we've made $10,400 trading shitcoins. And in this video, we're gonna go over every single one of our trades. And yeah, let's just get started with the two biggest trades of the day that were Ansem and made for the majority of our PNL. And pretty much what happened was there was this coin about Ansem that was being sent to his like wallet supposedly. And on Twitter, he posted a tweet and confirmed that that wallet was not his, and then created a new one. So that created two vamps, one for the coin immediately, which was this one that I made 44 SOL on, $3,250 on. I really just got like a Jenny fill, but I just bought it on the migration here, right as insta bonded, and then I sold out off of the vol. I could have waited like an extra 100k, but you know, I was up 45 and happy, and I was down, so I was like, fuck it, let me just take my P. And then right after, someone made a new one, and they sent 65% to his wallet. But they hadn't switched the fees yet. So they set the supply, it went to 0 because they hadn't switched the fees. And I'm waiting on new pairs camping for the fees to be switched. And then I see this little green icon, which means that he switched the fees to the wallet. And then I bought it, and I ended up taking a 52 SOL out. So I took another 3x on this one from 100 or like 86k to 300. And then it ended up like going back up to like a mil. That was pretty unfortunate, but yeah, whatever. We made 100 SOL on both, so that was a pretty good farm on the narrative, I guess. Then I made 20, but in reality, this is a 40 SOL PNL because I sent out a lot of my supply. Oh my god, 230. I'm gonna round trip all of this, but this is Joe. The original creator launched a coin, or I guess someone launched it for him, and it was just a Diddy bundle, and I bought it, and then it ripped, and I made money, and I sold, and then I rebought higher, and then I got touched, and now I'm just mega touched. But yeah, it's the original creator of Joe, and he launched a coin, so we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna hold it overnight at this point, and just I pretty much bought like 40, 2x'd it, then rebought at the top, lost, then rebought at the bottom, won again, and then rebought at the top, and now I'm losing again. But I have pretty much my initial, or my profited plus like a little bit more. My profit is like 1.5k, and I think I bought like 2.5 up here. And I have another like 1k in profit that I sent out, so well, we'll say I have my profits in, and that's it. But I don't know. I've been like watching this guy, and I feel like the original creator of Joe with a meme at 200k just feels like cheap, especially if it's low flow. I mean, realistically, like they hold the entire coin. It's just like they've made so much money off of this. I feel like the top traders. So we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna count that as a break even. Then I made 30 SOL on this narrative, Elon Musk coin. It was this morning, and yeah, it went to a mil. So I had a 5k entry. I sold out at 40k. Oh, biggest mistake ever. Went to a mil. So I would have made so much money. That was like a 400 SOL fumble. But this was essentially, I bought one that was Elon Musk coin. This was a Vamp 2 charity, which I just took a 2x on. And then this was a non-charity Vamp. And it was when Elon's net worth surpassed Bitcoin. So then they made EMC, Elon Musk coin. And it surpassed Bitcoin for like half the day. And then it went to 0 because it went down because the SpaceX stock went down. But yeah, I was an idiot. I sold on like bond. And then, wow, they just like curled it from bond. So yeah, look at this chart. I literally first CX'd it, sold right when it bonded up here. And then, yep, just only up. So I would make Jenny if I held that, but whatever. I just got back, by the way, from vacation, so I'm not like super, like situated yet, okay. So these are all the other trades around 5 sold. There were a lot today. I took a lot of trades, and I took a few losses too. So we'll go over the fat losses and kind of skip the middle ground. You guys can look through my wallet if you really want and learn. So I made 15 on this. Bought at 15K, sold around 40 to 80. And this was just an OG ad. This guy had bought at the lights and then hacked someone's account. This dude's account and pretended to launch a coin. Or maybe it wasn't hacked. Maybe he just farmed. You never know. But because he had so many good follows and whatever, I was just like, yeah, like if this guy launches, it would be Jenny. And they did. So I went to 70K. I sold because the like PA kind of obviously showed me it was a hack. The way they were selling, the way the coin spawned, everything. But I had a pretty good entry, so that was pretty cool. Made 15 soul on that. Then I made 10 soul on Solana, which I saw pretty early. I round tripped a bit on, and it was just RuneScape on Solana, and it just looked really well made. Like it said Solana on it, whatever. So made 10 soul on that. Made 8 soul on the walk, which was one of my devs, +5. Yeah, it was just saw the White House posted the walk and like a picture of it, so I thought that was pretty good. Like the Nietzsche walk. Made 8 soul on Dumbo, which was this little elephant that played soccer for the World Cup. Yeah. Sorry. Then I made 7 soul on this. I first CX'd and sold on like a 2x. I can't believe I made 7 soul on this. It was like a project about Claude Fable, which is the new version of Claude, and they were sending fees to this guy, Nathan Reeves. I think that one had the correct fees. The other ones did. Maybe. Then I made 6.5 soul on this. This was Ansem's username. And he said he wasn't supporting any coins, which is why I sold out of those coins rather early. The only thing you see is that, oh wow, it says that he created him a Tumbo. It's interesting. I wonder if that's up super high for a second there. But yeah, I did. It's up to 300K. Should look at that. Huh. Interesting. I wonder if they attributed it to him. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I'm gonna go back to this. Okay. Preston, I made 6 soul on. This was a teacher like assaulted a baby in the UK, and it was like the type of thing that like Elon would tweet. Then I made 5 soul on this. This was Alibaba introduced a little robot bear mascot. Named it Cohen. That only won because there was another coin called Le Chaton, Le Gros Chaton, or Le Chaton Fat. These two are pretty high, and it was like an AI mascot for another company, so the Alibaba one was like obviously kind of decent. I made 5 soul on this, so a lot of little 5 souls. This was a little like Neuralink robot. You know, a lot of just these fucking 5 to 15K scalps that have been working out for me. 5 soul on this one, Fabler, which was the same one as before, but the fees were correct this time. Specs made 5 soul on it, ended up going to 16K. It was Snapchat's new glasses that they introduced, like a new product. It's like Google Glass or like Meta glasses, but Snapchat. So they were just news. And then I made 5 soul on this, which was a little video game. And the reason I bought this is because if you go to the dev tokens, all of them had bonded before, almost. And this was the most recent one in 5 months. So he had created a bunch of coins. They all had worked and bonded in 5 months, and it was at 8K. So I was like, yeah, at least it'll go to like double. And it did. So I made 5 soul on that. And then biggest losses. So we lost on X67. Actually, I think I broke even on that or made money. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, fruits. Yeah, that one was tough. Okay. X67, I made 7.5 soul on, so I don't know why it says it lost. It's an OG coin. The main one went to a mil, or like, no, it went less. It went 500K. And it was that XAI bought Cursor, which is a coding platform, and they merged it under a holding company called X67 Inc. So I bought the OG version of it because I wasn't in the main, and I made 7. And I lost 10 soul on this. This was Hope. This was a fake YouTube channel, so I can't really see it anymore, but it was a little mascot, and I was so confused on why it wasn't going, and then I realized it was fake, and I got farmed. Jester, I lost 8 soul on. It was like a derivative to this duck. It's like a mascot of the World Cup. This is a cat, like, you know. fucking on a wheel, and it didn't bond because there was no G. But it's a derivative to Merlin the duck, which is like a super viral duck. That's at 2 mil. So I was like, all right, that should have bonded at least. And it didn't because it was anything. I lost 7.8 so on Flipper, which was some tech launch. Honestly, I thought the div was like semi-bullish, and you know, it wasn't. It went to 0. I lost 7 soul on Nicole Altman. It was LARP that Elon Musk had hired Sam Altman's sister. Obviously, if that were true, that would have gone so high. But it was LARP, so, you know, I lost. I lost 7 soul on Drop, which was another tech launch. This one was like a game. Again, the account looks decent, like, but he accidentally launched it. He didn't know that he launched a coin, and then he said, like, oh, I don't support any coins. So, went to 0. I lost 7 soul. AI Fruit. Elon Musk tweeted this video. I bought it, and no one wanted to buy on top of me, so I just slow bled, and I just cut my losses at like a 20%, which was good because like it went to 0. So yeah, -6 soul, whatever, good sell. Tweet, just scrape. Lost 5 soul on this. This was the same thing as like the little like mascot again, Merlin, but this was a little World Cup prediction cat, and it's a cat that's supposed to predict the different winners, but you know, went to 8k and the full stack rugged me. Then I lost 6 soul on pre-seed. This was some AI Project LARP created by a guy that had a lot of good dev wallets, so I thought that it would be good because of his wallet, but you know, it was not. And then finally, I lost 4 soul because I bought the OG Gavin Newsom because Gavin Newsom announced that he was running for president. So I was like, oh, this is going to be big news. And then no one posted about it. So I ended up losing 4 soul. So yeah, I would have probably made like 15k if I hadn't taken all these dumb losses. And then, you know, like even more like small 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. And I can go on for days about these, but they, you know, probably break even. I could have made like 15k. But I took a lot of dumb losses. But you know, we're adjusting. We're getting back into our groove of things. You know, it's my second day trading. Yesterday I made 2.5k. Today, you know, 10.4. So I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna be locked in. I said this week I just want to be fucking locked. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it ended up. See you guys tomorrow. I streamed this morning, and I will stream tomorrow as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.